Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. It's me Chaudhary and you are watching Hareem GTV. We are here with a new video of MS Excel free learning course. This is basically a project for those people who are beginner, who are new in this field for learning MS Excel. We always tried to make it very simple and easy. We never try to make it complicated. We only cover one topic in one video so that newcomers may learn easily, and it must be easy learning for them. People who are new on my channel are requested please subscribe this channel, press bell icon button so that all new videos may come up to them. आज हम अपनी वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे कि हम सेल्स को मर्ज एंड सेंटर कैसे करते हैं। आज मैं आपको ये करके दिखाने वाला हूँ। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर वीडियो दिस वीडियो हाउ वी विल मर्ज एंड सेंटर द सेल्स। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये लिखा हुआ है क्रेडिट सेल्स इन रुपीज़। ये एक सेल में नहीं है, ये तकरीबन 4 सेल्स में स्ट्रेच हो चुकी है। यू कैन सी हेयर इट दिस इज़ रिटन क्रेडिट सेल्स इन रुपीज़. This has been stretched up to 4 cells and each cell is a separate cell. You can see the name of the cell here, H6, and the second cell is I6, third one is J6 and fourth one is K6. We will merge these cells and will make it only single cell. How can we do it? Let's see. Please select all data, then go to Excel ribbon and you can see here merge and center. Simply press this icon and now you can see that this has been merged. These all 4 cells has been merged into one cell. Now you can see that this is only one cell and its name is H6, and this way you can merge all cells. You can merge these all cells as well as like that, and this has become now a single cell. You can see here name of this cell is F6. So I hope you will like this video. Please share this video, subscribe this channel, and we will be available for you 24/7. If you want any query, please mention in the comment. We will be here with a new video in the future. Till then, please take care of you. Allah Hafiz.